Yeah, I'm Sean Krupa. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. This is my GMC Typhoon 1993. Family owned since new. I own SK Kustoms. I work on Cyclones and Typhoons for a living. Currently the world's fastest GMC Typhoon that's still a V6 and all-wheel drive. Best of 9.2 so far. We're out here supporting the Buick guys and just having a good time. Like I said, my father bought it brand new in 1993. I was taken home from the hospital when I was born in it, and just have a love for these trucks and just having a good time. This community is so awesome, just like the Buick guys, and you know, it's definitely a force to be reckoned with still the V6 and to compete with all these other LS guys and everything like that these days. But it's definitely fun, and you know, that's what it's all about. So this has coilovers front and rear. It has a custom 4-link in the back. These are custom SP2 forged wheels. They're B-locks front and rear.
And this is all-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive. It's got a 480E transmission.
Okay.
And it's a bow tie block V6 out of a NASCAR series back in the day. And it's on a Holly Dominator tuned by myself, and everything you can basically do to these trucks it's got. It's the best in 920 so far. I'm hoping to be in the 8s sometime this year. This is the first V6 all-wheel drive Typhoon to be in the 9s after 30 years. Yeah, so we're just trying to turn it up and see what it does.